Hey there, fellow drivers. I'm Amy Freena. Let's tackle a burning question. Does running your car's AC use gas? Yes, it sure does. The outside temperature, humidity, and the intensity of the sun are all factors that can affect how much AC you use. When you crank up that air conditioning, your engine has to work a bit harder, which means you'll notice a hit in your fuel efficiency. On those hot summer days, the AC can decrease your mileage by about 5 to 10%, depending on your ride. But here's something to think about. Driving with the windows down at high speeds can create drag, which also eats into your gas mileage. So it's a bit of a balancing act. The length of your drive is also a contributor. If you take a short ride on a hot summer day, you may reduce your car's fuel economy by using the AC. So while the AC does use gas, comfort is key, especially when the sun is blazing. Depending on where you live, AC might be necessary. You can decide if that extra fuel is worth feeling cool and collected on the road. And here's a tip. It's always a good idea to budget for extra gas use in the summer. Stay cool and drive safe, friends.